Welcome back, friends. You have used text features to learn facts and details about a seahorse's unique features, and for your informative paragraphs, you're going to be writing about how seahorses use their unique features. And today you will select 2 details to include in your informative paragraphs by using the evidence organizer you created in the previous video. Here's the evidence organizer we've been working on. During the previous video, we sorted the details into categories, whether they were describing the seahorse's tail or the seahorse's eyes. And today you're going to choose or select which body part you want to write about. Once you've selected the body part, either the tail or the eyes, then you'll select 2 of the details about that body part you think are the most interesting. Okay, now I want you to point to the body part you want to write about. Remember to point gently. You're pointing to either the tail or the eyes. Okay, as I read the details about the body parts, you can be listening for the 2 you think are the most interesting. Now, if you've decided you want to write about the seahorse's tail, here are the details you can select. Curls tail to drop down, uncurls tail to go up, can hold on to things. Got it? All right. Now, if you've decided you wanted to write about the seahorse's eyes, here are the details you can select from. Look like black beads, can see food from any direction, one eye looks up and one eye looks down. The details I reviewed are also on handout 18A if you have it. We're going to focus on the tail and the eye part of the handout. I want you to pause the video in just a moment to circle the 2 details you think are the most interesting. And if you don't have the handout, you can select 2 details and write them in your journal. Are you ready? Pause the video now to circle the 2 details you find the most interesting, and if you don't have the handout, you can write them in your journal. Now that you've selected some details for your informative paragraph about a seahorse feature, point to where that information will go in your informative paragraph. I want you to think, where do we write the details? I'm sure you said it. That information will go in the middle of your paragraph. Okay, friends, you just showed me where the details will go. What are the other 2 parts of an informative paragraph that you'll need to include? That's right, the topic statement and the conclusion. And here's a sentence frame you can use to help you write your topic statement. Seahorses have unique. If you choose to write about the seahorse's tail, you would say seahorses have unique tails. I'd like you to practice your topic statement aloud now. All right. Then you'll add your details about tails and you'll write your conclusion. And here's a sentence frame you can use to write your conclusion. The seahorses is or are useful. So if you're writing about the seahorse's tail, you might say the seahorse's tail is useful. But if you're writing about the seahorse's eyes, you'd say the seahorse's eyes are useful. Now I want you to practice your whole paragraph with your learning partner. Remember, you'll use the details you circled on handout 18A or the ones you wrote in your journals. Pause the video now to practice your whole paragraph aloud, and I'll see you when you're done practicing. All right, awesome first graders. Nice job learning about text features and practicing your informative paragraphs about seahorses. Next time, we'll continue working with Seahorse, the shyest fish in the sea. Until then, be kind and do something great because you are capable of greatness.